it's not perfect. It's enough to maybe get some Rust-Oleum to lay down on it. Like I said before, it's not gonna be a show card or anything. I just want it to be nice and clean under there, as clean as possible, without spending a whole lot of time. It took me 5 minutes or 10 minutes to do both of these pieces here. Oh yeah, if you're worried about this right here, we're gonna try to get it off now. So there's a local guy around here, and his name is Will Tyndall. He created this modification for the golf carts. Basically, it's simple. We scribe a line on the spindle, cut it in half, add some metal, burn it in. That's a 2-inch piece of metal that we're adding there. It's carrying a 6-inch lift kit to making it a 8-inch lift kit. This is great to say you want to place some tires on your golf cart that's bigger than your standard 23-inch tall tires, and you want to run something bigger. Like in my case, we're going to be running 27s. Now, this lift kit cost me, I think, a little under $300 with tax here locally. And you know, if I'd have went and got a 10-inch lift, I'd have been over $1,000. So this modification here, you can save some money, add some bigger tires, and look good as well. Now for the lower cradle, I took some 2x2 square tubing. I drilled them together with some flat stock and painted them up, made it pretty, drilled 4 holes into it so I can mount the lower cradle down 2 inches below the frame itself. And pretty much this modification was done. Very cheap, very inexpensive. Now structurally, the golf cart lift is fine. What I don't like about it is the way it looks. The metal I picked out was 1.25 inches outside diameter. The spindle for the lift kit is actually 1.5 inches, so that's why it's got a 1/8 of an inch indentation per side, and it looks, I don't like it 100%. With that being said, I'm stuck with that for a while, and I may end up fixing it. I'm not 100% happy with the cosmetics, but for the function, it's fine. I need to install the steering wheel and the new yoke I have, along with the front end body piece. But as you can tell, we have plenty of room in here. However, the tire does scrub the frame at full lock. We got a nice looking height here. As you can see, we trimmed the back body back here, so we have plenty of room there now. The tire fits inside the wheel well pretty good. I removed that back block there, which gave us some more room as well. The back body here, or the structure of the frame, is not really in place. It's still kind of loose. But that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I think she looks good. The tires are 215/75 15s, 15-inch rocks, 6-inch wide. It's a 27-inch tall tire. I like the look. It pretty much tucks. You know, it reminds me of like an old tall Toyota. I did the HD springs in the back, but that's pretty much it for this video.